How would you feel to live a life where your financial struggles are a thing of the past, where you wake up each day with the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about money? Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki promises to bring this dream to life by teaching you the secrets to financial independence. Trust me, this book is simply a financial revolution, challenging everything you've ever learned about money. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a transformative book that contrasts the financial philosophies of two father figures in Robert Kiyosaki's life. His biological father, the poor dad, was a well-educated man who struggled financially. On the other hand, his best friend's father, the rich dad, was less formally educated but became one of the wealthiest men in Hawaii. Through their differing perspectives, Kiyosaki explores fundamental concepts about money, investing, and personal finance, offering readers a new way to think about wealth. If you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. The Two Dads. The story begins with the stark contrast between Kiyosaki's two fathers. His poor dad, despite having a good job and a high level of education, faced constant financial difficulties. He believed in the traditional path: get a good education, find a secure job, and work hard. However, this path led him to financial instability and stress. Poor Dad believed that hard work, perseverance, and a good education were the keys to success, yet he often found himself struggling to make ends meet. On the other hand, Kiyosaki's rich dad, who didn't finish 8th grade, had a different approach. He believed in financial education, investing in assets, and making money work for you. This mindset allowed him to build substantial wealth and achieve financial freedom. Rich Dad taught that the key to financial success lies in understanding how money works and leveraging it to create more wealth. The key difference between the two was their understanding and approach to money. While Poor Dad worked for money, Rich Dad made money work for him. The importance of financial education. One of the central themes of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the critical importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that the lack of financial literacy is the root cause of financial struggles. Traditional education systems often fail to teach students about money, leaving many to learn from costly mistakes. Rich Dad emphasized that financial education is essential for financial independence. He taught Kiyosaki to focus on acquiring assets that generate income, rather than liabilities that drain resources. Rich Dad's lessons on financial education were simple yet profound. He explained that understanding financial statements, knowing the difference between assets and liabilities, and learning how to invest are crucial skills that schools do not teach. He stressed the importance of continuous learning and adapting to the ever-changing financial landscape. This continuous education helps in making informed decisions, identifying investment opportunities, and avoiding financial pitfalls. Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki introduces a simple yet powerful concept: the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Rich Dad advised Kiyosaki to invest in assets such as real estate, stocks, bonds, and intellectual property. He warned against the common mistake of considering personal residences and cars as assets when they are actually liabilities due to their ongoing costs. Rich Dad's approach to building wealth was to accumulate assets that generate income streams. He explained that true wealth comes from assets that continue to produce income even when you're not working. This is in stark contrast to liabilities, which require constant financial input and provide no return. For example, buying a rental property can be considered an asset because it generates rental income, whereas buying an expensive car is a liability due to its maintenance costs and depreciation. The rat race. The book describes the rat race as a cycle of working for money, paying bills, and then working again to pay more bills. Poor Dad believed in job security and working hard for a steady paycheck. In contrast, Rich Dad emphasized the importance of escaping the rat race by making money work for you. This involves investing in assets that generate passive income, allowing you to achieve financial freedom. Escaping the rat race means shifting your focus from earning a paycheck to building income-generating assets. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki that the key to financial freedom is to develop passive income streams that exceed your expenses. This way, you no longer have to work for money. Instead, your money works for you. Passive income can come from various sources, such as rental properties, dividends from stocks, and royalties from intellectual property. Mind your own business. Kiyosaki advises readers to mind their own business, which means focusing on building and maintaining assets. He suggests that even if you have a job, you should always work on developing your asset column. This could involve starting a part-time business, investing in stocks, or acquiring real estate. The goal is to create multiple streams of income that can eventually replace your job's income. Rich Dad explained that most people spend their lives minding someone else's business, i.e., working for a company and helping it grow, rather than focusing on their own financial growth. He emphasized the importance of spending time and resources on building personal assets. Whether it's starting a small business, investing in real estate, or developing a portfolio of stocks, the goal is to grow your asset base and generate income independently of your job. The power of corporations. One of the more advanced concepts in the book is the use of corporations to reduce tax liabilities and protect personal wealth. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki that understanding the legal and tax advantages of corporations is crucial. Corporations can earn, spend, and only then pay taxes on what's left, which can significantly reduce tax obligations. This contrasts with individuals who earn, pay taxes, and then spend what's left. Rich Dad explained that the wealthy use corporations to protect their wealth and minimize taxes. By forming a corporation, you can take advantage of various tax deductions and credits that are not available to individuals. For example, business expenses such as travel, meals, and entertainment can be deducted from the corporation's income before taxes are calculated. This reduces the taxable income and, consequently, the tax liability. Understanding and leveraging the benefits of corporations can significantly enhance your financial strategy. Overcoming obstacles. Kiyosaki identifies several obstacles that prevent people from achieving financial independence. Fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance are all barriers to financial success. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki to manage fear, trust his own judgment, set clear goals, and always be willing to learn and seek advice from experts. Fear, particularly the fear of losing money, is a significant obstacle that holds many people back. Rich Dad explained that managing fear and taking calculated risks are essential for financial growth. He encouraged Kiyosaki to see failure as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Cynicism or self-doubt can also prevent people from seizing opportunities. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki to trust his instincts and focus on the potential rewards rather than the risks. Laziness, often masked as busyness, can stop people from pursuing financial education and investment opportunities. Rich Dad emphasized the importance of setting clear financial goals and prioritizing tasks that contribute to those goals. He also highlighted the impact of bad habits, such as poor spending and saving habits, on financial health. Adopting good financial habits, like paying yourself first, is crucial for building wealth. Arrogance, or the assumption that you know everything, can lead to financial mistakes. Rich Dad advised Kiyosaki to stay humble, continuously seek knowledge, and learn from others' experiences. He explained that financial success requires a willingness to learn and adapt to new information and changing circumstances. The importance of work to learn, not to earn. Kiyosaki emphasizes that working solely for money limits one's potential. Instead, he suggests seeking jobs that offer learning opportunities, especially in fields like sales, marketing, and investing. Skills acquired from such jobs can be invaluable in building a successful financial future. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki that the primary purpose of work should be to learn, not just to earn. He encouraged Kiyosaki to seek jobs that provide valuable skills and experiences, rather than focusing solely on salary. For example, a job in sales can teach you how to communicate effectively, negotiate deals, and understand customer needs. These skills are transferable and can be applied to various business and investment opportunities. The power of mentorship. Finding mentors who can guide and advise you on your financial journey is another key lesson from the book. Both Kiyosaki's Rich Dad and other successful individuals served as mentors, providing him with valuable insights and advice. Mentorship can accelerate learning and help avoid common pitfalls. Rich Dad's mentorship was instrumental in shaping Kiyosaki's financial philosophy. He provided guidance, shared his experiences, and offered practical advice on various aspects of money management and investing. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of seeking out mentors who have achieved the success you aspire to. Learning from their experiences and applying their advice can significantly shorten your path to financial independence. The need for financial intelligence. Kiyosaki underscores the importance of financial intelligence, which includes accounting, investing, understanding markets, and the law. Developing these skills allows individuals to see opportunities where others see risk, and to create wealth in any economic climate. Rich Dad explained that financial intelligence is the foundation of wealth creation. It involves understanding how money works, making informed investment decisions, and navigating financial markets. He stressed the importance of learning how to read financial statements, analyze market trends, and understand the legal aspects of business and investing. By developing financial intelligence, you can identify opportunities, manage risks, and make strategic decisions that contribute to long-term wealth. Taking action. The final and perhaps most crucial lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of taking action. Knowledge without action is meaningless. Kiyosaki encourages readers to start small, learn from their experiences, and gradually build their financial acumen and asset portfolio. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki that the key to financial success is taking action. He emphasized the importance of setting clear goals, creating a plan, and taking consistent steps toward achieving those goals. Whether it's starting a small business, investing in real estate, or developing a stock portfolio, the important thing is to take action and learn from the process. By starting small and gradually building your financial skills and assets, you can achieve financial independence over time. Conclusion. So basically, Kiyosaki provides a roadmap to financial independence through education, smart investing, and strategic action. This book serves as a powerful guide for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom and build lasting wealth. By applying the principles outlined in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you can improve your financial future and live a life of abundance and freedom. And remember, if you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these.